morning, everyone. This is Mary from Linbay Machinery. Today I will introduce you a Din reel production line, which is just finished and will be shipped overseas soon. Now it's in the commission phase and it will be completed very soon. So on my hand, this is one of formed sheet of the Din reel. A Din reel is a very important component in cable tray systems, and also we are experienced in producing other parts of the system too, like cable trays and cable ladders or star channels and etc. So the Din reel is produced for electrical cabinet. It's used for mounting the electrical circuit breakers and industrial equipment in the cabinet, in the PLC cabinet and the cabinet racks. So this production line will include the decoiler, the reformer, the flying punch, and the flying cart, then the out tables. Okay, now let's go to have a look of the details. So usually for every production line, we will usually start with the uncoiler, and here we adopt a 3-ton manual decoiler. After the decoiler, then it's our reforming part. The decoiler is for supply the raw material of the whole process, and the reformer. Here we adopt the iron cast and the chain drive mode. The chain is covered in the iron panel. This is for protect the chain. So the iron cast structure is nowadays the most strongest way to frame the whole line. It's very durable and it's very well received from all around the world. And it's also very easy for our later maintenance. So it's very stable. And it's poured in one piece, you can see. So it's like a towering chain rooted in the ground. And this strength in cables that has the capability to bearing this high load of work and the bearing of this heavy. And the chain drive, you can see it's a very traditional power transmission structure. The chain drive has no elastic and no elastic skid to maintain the accurate transmission ratio, and it can work in hard conditions like oil pollution and high temperatures, and also it's compacted structure. So this is also well received from all around the world too. And so after this is a motor for the this is motor for the whole process. So after the reformer, then it's the hydraulic punch. The hydraulic punch here is a flying punch. So it means it will equipped with a separate motor to supply the power of the punch. And you can see there, this is a hydraulic oil cylinder here. And then this is a hydraulic valve here to control the hydraulic punch. Hydraulic punch can, a flying punch can make the whole process much more faster. So you can see, the most important point of entire whole process speed is decided by the punch part. So if we adopt a flying punch, it will increase the whole process speed very much. And this is the main point of this equipment too. And this is a limit sensor, and this is to set the mode, hydraulic punch mode. And this is a tank chain equipment. This is for better fold the cables, so it won't be very disordered. So after the hydraulic punch, then it comes to our final part. It's the hydraulic part. It's also a flying hydraulic part too. So it will equipped with a motor here to supply the power for the cutting too. And then you can see the oil cylinder here and the hydraulic valve here. This is also equipped to control the hydraulic cart. A hydraulic cart can make the carting surface more beautiful, no burrs, and more flat. Also, it can be much faster when we equip it with the motor here. So this is the entire production line for the Din rail. You can see the configuration is customized by our customers' requirement and the profiles. So also, you can tell us your profile and your requirement. We will customize the whole process for your profile too. So this is the Din rail on my hand. The Din rail, like what I said, it's for mounting the electrical components on it inside the PLC cabinet racks. So you can see the punch holes here. We have many choices to do different sizes and different shapes of the holes, and they have perforated the density of the punch holes according to your choices too. And you can see the configuration of each production line is customized to your choices. We can choose to use the punch press too. And here we use the flying hydraulic punch, which is much more cost effective for our customers. It can increase the whole process speed while low cost. And the punch press also, it can be very fast too, but still it will be according to your budget. So this is our entire production line for the whole process. So you may be worried about the commission of the machine. There's no worry for that. We will commission the machine before leaving the factory, and we will provide you the whole set of manual of use and the videos of installation too. And our warranty time for you is 2 years for the whole line, 5 years for the motor, and lifetime after sale service. So if you are interested in our machines, please subscribe our channel or leave our message. We will contact you as soon as possible. So that's it. Goodbye. Bye-bye.